Are you looking for the best rebounder? In this video we will look at some of the best rebounder on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, FitBounce Pro XL Bungee Rebounder. The FitBounce Pro XL has a larger jumping area. It is crafted using premium quality steel which displays the sturdiness of the product. The superior kids trampoline has a superior quality that makes it a robust product for daily use. Furthermore, the toddler trampoline comes along with a carry bag or handy storage that allows you to carry the rebounder along. You can fix it onto the rebounder while you use it for your kids. The indoor trampoline has a DVD that comes with workout routines. It is especially beneficial for beginners or those who are looking to lose some weight. It has some great exercises and techniques that will help you stay fit. It features 3 months of rebounding video membership for free. This means you gain access to numerous workout videos that you can practice with the trampoline. You can also engage in fun trampoline games with your child. This rebounder is made using high-quality materials. Hence, this makes the trampoline safe and reliable for your child. However, you too can enjoy your fitness workout on the trampoline. It is a great way to start active and engage your kids too in this activity. If you have been looking for a reliable and durable product, then this right here won't disappoint you at all. At number 2, Leaps and Rebounds. This is the best way you can make exercise fun and interesting. This trampoline for kids and adults is the best purchase you can make. The rebounder has several benefits that you need to know. If you are looking for an affordable and quality fitness rebounder, this is exactly the product you need to buy. The safety bungee keeps your ankles, feet, and legs protected. It offers complete privacy when you want to work out at home. The rebounder has a large jumping area, hence there are no dangers of falling over. This exercise trampoline has a carbon steel frame along with screw-in legs that offers extreme stability and durability. There are size options available along with 5 color options as well for you to choose from. It also features a zero stretch and UV resistant mat that prevents wear and tear. Rebounding is known to offer multiple physiological benefits. This best trampoline provides a 100% lifetime guarantee and is made of buttery smooth latex that gives you a fantastic bounce. This is one of the reasons why the rebounder is easy on your muscles and joints. The rebounder has a 30-day return policy with one of the best customer services you can get. You can engage your family in jumping and staying healthy with this interesting trampoline. It is a reliable, durable and safe option to stay fit without having to leave your home. Get fit right at home using this product. At number 3, Maximus Pro Home Gym Rebounder. This is the best alternative to the huge and expensive gym equipment. If you are looking to lose weight or simply stay fit and healthy, this springless trampoline will work the best for you. It is great for weight loss, energy boost, sports training, and joint stability training as well. The rebounder comes with 7 workout DVDs that are comprised of exercises suitable for beginners, intermediate and experienced. The DVDs list out the exact techniques and methods to perform exercises on the trampoline. Unlike the other rebounders available in the market, this one from Maximus is known for its robust build. It allows you deep core muscles to produce core power that is important in any sport. The sky-bound trampoline has a large spring system that promotes a low-impact bounce. Such bounces are light on your joints and knees. Hence, they are perfect for people with injuries, muscle, or joint pains. It has a weight capacity of 150 kilograms and has folding legs. This allows for easy storage and transportation. The product also has a stability handlebar which you can use while working out. The product has a ton of positive reviews online with loyal customers of the same. With such interesting features and specifications, it is exactly the kind of product you should invest in. At number 4, Maximus Pro Folding Rebounder. The next product on our list is the Maximus Pro Folding Rebounder. This rebounder has been voted as the best indoor exercise mini trampoline. The product is suitable for adults and comes with numerous accessories at an affordable price. If you know jumping on a trampoline is the best form of exercise, then don't hold back yourself from purchasing this device. It is crafted with high-grade steel along with precision components that make it suitable for daily use. Though you may find several other adult trampolines online, there is nothing that beats this one. If you are planning to set up a trampoline indoors, then Maximus has the correct dimensions to allow that. The product comes with a carry bag or a handy storage case that enables you to carry it anywhere. Furthermore, it features a stability handlebar that be easily fitted if you want to. This bar offers additional balance or support to beginners or even the elderly. Along with the product, you also get a compilation DVD with workouts for all types. Be it a beginner, intermediate, or experienced, all will benefit from the descriptive workouts. Get the body that you deserve with this rebounder. It is an excellent way to tone your muscles and lose weight as well. At number 5, FitBounds Pro. This is one of the most loved indoor trampolines for kids. Also, they are suitable for adults as well. This product from FitBounds Pro is quite a popular small trampoline with amazing reviews and happy customers worldwide. It is a half-folding mini trampoline that is the best choice for both adults and kids. It is crafted with high-grade steel and precision component parts that offer durability and reliability. The folding trampoline is very robust and is the perfect equipment that can be used on a daily basis. Furthermore, this is considered to be the best trampolines for adults as well since it offers a large jumping space. This extra space is specially designed for advanced level workouts. The trampoline for toddlers comes with a carry bag or a handy storage case that allows you to carry the device along anywhere with you. Besides, a trampoline with a handle is often the best choice of trampoline that you can make. This is because it offers additional support while you carry on with your workouts. Also, the mini trampoline with bar has a handle that you can buy separately. It is easily available online and can be fitted for extra support or balance. This is extremely useful if you are injured or if you are a beginner. Furthermore, the adult trampoline gives you free rebounding video membership for 3 months. In other words, you simply gain access to hundreds of workout videos and exercises to keep you healthy and fit. So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.